When eyes are well, has noises in ears. When eyes are sore, top of head is so sore she cannot comb her hair. Photophobia lies upon face. Pressure in eyes as from sand. Styes on upper lids. Hair falls out. Violent contraction of eyelids. It is difficult to open them. Medicine Mercurius. होम्योपैथी अपनाएं, बीमारियों से छुटकारा पाएं. Hello, welcome to my channel on homeopathy. If you are not subscribed, subscribe to the channel now. The purpose of knowledge shared here is only educational and to increase awareness. Please always consult your doctor before taking any medicine. Self-treatment may always be injurious. Today, you will learn a few important eye symptoms of the medicine Mercurius, which may be very helpful in our daily life. So please crush the like and share this video. Now let us go to the video. Medicine Mercurius. Eye symptoms. Eyes worse from heat and glare of fire, also from daylight. Optical illusions in dark colors, in green colors, black points, musca volitantis, mistiness, cloud, fiery sparks, letters seem to move. Eyes dim, lusterless, blear-eyed. For 1 year, failing sight, frequent temporary loss of vision. Even when not using eyes, there are always dark spots or a kind of cloud before sight, constant lacrimation and aching, pressing pain in eye. She cannot bear light of fire. Amblyopia. Scotoma of right eye after a fall, with dimness of vision, constant flickering before eye, and floating black specks. If she attempts to look at anything, cannot distinctly recognize it, and then eyes are almost always involuntarily drawn together. The more she tries to restrain the constriction, the less able she is to prevent it, is obliged to lie down and close eyes. Eyes forcibly drawn together as if long deprived of sleep. Fog before one or both eyes. Dimness of vision. Vision weak. Medicine Mercurius vivus. Are you enjoying this video? So please subscribe to the channel and leave your like. Heat in eyes and lacrimation, burning in eyes, itching, pressure in eyes hot, a kind of dry heat, redness and pressure in both eyes, stitches in eyes, choroiditis, iritis, syphilitic, pains around eyes, on forehead and temples, worse from touch, throbbing, shooting pains in eye, hypopion, pains severe, tearing, boring, cutting, worse at night and in damp weather, much heat around eye and soreness of corresponding side of head, great sensitiveness to heat, cold and light, acrid lacrimation, pupil contracted and covered by thin bluish film with great tendency to formation of adhesions to lens, iris discolored, ciliary injection, tearing pains in forehead and vertex, shooting from deep within eye, worse every evening and night, conjunctiva of right eye greatly inflamed and swollen, phlegmonous inflammation and swelling of lids which are painful to slightest touch, great photophobia, flow of hot tears from eye, white ring around cornea, iris brown, greenish, blue in health, pupil fixed, iris inflamed, and at later stage became shaped like that of ruminating animals, fever, sleepless at night on account of pain, profuse sweats without relief. Every night at 12 o'clock, intolerable pains in eye almost exhausting him. Offensive odor from mouth, much expectoration of mucus, puppy taste, tenesmus, patient gouty. Did you like this video? So crush the like and share this video. Episcleritis, sclerotic, swollen and very red, cornea dim and showing indications of beginning formation of pus, vertigo, slimy mouth, white coated tongue, yellow towards base, loss of appetite, great thirst, chilliness with heat and congestions to head, tendency to sweat, steaming or moist skin, transient stitches in body and limbs, restless and sleeplessness at night, cornea dim, red, surrounded by puffy swelling like raw meat, burning, light dazzles. It seems to him as if sparks of fire were being emitted from eyes. Stitches deep in eyes and in temples, eyelids dry and swollen, left eye worse, ulcers of cornea and vascular. Ulcers of cornea are vascular and surrounded by grayish opacity. Pus between corneal layers, onyx. Pustule on cornea with photophobia and lacrimation. When eyes are well, has noises in ears, and when eyes are sore, top of head is so sore she cannot comb her hair. Profuse watery coryza, excoriating nose. Keratitis pustulosa, pain in eye day and night, conjunctiva much congested, burning lacrimation, excessive photophobia, eruptions around eye, worse at night, bad breath in morning, wants to sleep by day and cannot at night, pain in bones at night, sharp sticking pains, worse at night after gaslight, vesicles on margin of cornea, eyes feel worse at night, watery eruption on face, Hair falls out, nose swollen internally, cracked and unhealthy. Lacrimation profuse, burning and excoriating. Mucopurulent discharges, thin and acrid. Lids are spasmodically closed, thick, red, swollen, excoriated, very sensitive to heat, cold and contact. Lacrimation and photophobia. Noises in ear disappear when eyes become sore. Top of head so sore she cannot comb her hair. Keratitis pustulosa. Keratitis parenchymatosum due to hereditary syphilis. Keratoiditis with hypopion. Pain very severe at night. Eye feeling as if it was a ball of fire. Lacrimation hot. Inflammation of eyes. Cornea covered with scars from old ulcerations. Scleral vessels injected, especially between insertion of rectimuscles where sclera is slightly buzzed and thinned so that dark color of choroid shines through. Steady aching, worse at night, episcleritis. Syphilitic iritis, condylomata in iris, hypopion, contraction, discoloration and immobility, ciliary injection, haziness of aqueous, pains of a tearing, boring character, chiefly around eye, in forehead and temples, which are sore to touch, throbbing, shooting, sticking pains in eye, all worse at night, retinitis and choroiditis, particularly if dependent upon syphilis, retina very sensitive in glare, diseases of optic nerve and retina occurring in workers in foundries, great opaqueness, violent pain, dacryuria, photophobia, swelling of lids, keratitis vasculosa, ophthalmia neonatorum, discharge acrid, usually thin, makes cheek sore, particularly if caused by syphilitic leukorrhea. Purulent ophthalmia with copious discharge, lids much swollen, underneath much purulent matter which pours out in quantities on opening eyes. Rheumatic, arthritic, syphilitic or gonorrheal ophthalmia. Lids swollen, sensation of a body causing dull pressive or cutting pains underneath lids with difficulty in moving them. Daylight or candlelight insupportable and causes burning gnawing pains in eyes which are moderately red so that lids are closed convulsively and can with difficulty be opened. Lids agglutinated with raw pain at their edges. Eyelids swollen, lids and cheeks covered with a pustular eruption. Dried pus hangs upon eyelashes, grayish-white spots upon cornea. Photophobia lies upon face, nose and lips swollen, copious thick green acrid discharge from nose, excoriating nose and upper lip, back of hand and forearm upon which child whipped its nose, corroded. Glands of ears swollen, irritable, impatient, disposed to cry. Scrofulous inflammation of eyes. Chronic syphilitic ophthalmia, vessels of conjunctiva injected and distended, pupil linear and contracted, objects appear quite small and indistinct, feathers appear to come from angles of eyes and hinder vision, myopia, frequent attacks of cramp in stomach in all phases of the moon and on least atmospheric variation, or immediately after some unusual, pleasurable or painful impression. Stiffness of maxillary joint and pain in sole of foot, could with difficulty chew and could not bear to walk, can scarcely keep in erect position, bone pains at night preventing sleep, must be turned in bed by means of a seat, eyes inflamed with swollen inverted tarsi and very sensitive to light, Mercurius, pustules on conjunctiva, conjunctivitis pustulosa after measles, scrofula with enlarged cervical glands, great swelling of lids, sensibility to touch, worse before midnight, no amelioration from sweat, blenoria of conjunctiva, chronic conjunctivitis with a fine rosy red injection around the cornea, Mercurius, pressure in eyes as from sand, burning pains, lacrimation acrid, photophobia, sensitiveness to extreme heat or cold, very marked, especially heat of glaring fire and coldness of damp places, granular conjunctivitis, pupils dilated, biting and burning in eyes, especially in open air, cutting, stinging or aching pains in eyes, especially when exerting them, great swelling, redness and constriction of lids. They are sensitive to touch, upper lid tight and red like a sty, inflammatory swelling in region of lacrimal bone, eyes close forcibly, whether sitting, standing or walking, lids spasmodically closed, erysipelatous, sensitive to cold, heat and to touch, raw excoriated, burning as from fiery points. Dear friends, your support means a lot to us, and I would like to ask you to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. It is completely free. Blepharitis, lids red, thick and swollen, particularly upper. Sensitive, lacrimation profuse, burning, acrid, making lids sore, red and painful, aggravation in open air or by constant application of cold water, ciliary blepharitis caused from working over fires or forges, inflammation or blenoria of lacrimal sac, cutting underlid as from a sharp body, edges of lids covered with scabs and ulcers, absence of cilia, madarosis, nose sore and excoriated, meibomian glands ulcerated with scurf on margins of lids, entropium, ectropium, affections of meibomian cysts, styes on upper lids, twitching of lids, violent contraction of eyelids. It is difficult to open them. Dose: medicine Mercurius 6, 12 and 30 potency, 1 to 5 drops in 10 ml water on empty stomach or as advised by your doctor. A hug, stay with God, and until the next video, bye. Thank you very much.